Okay, special unboxing today, Calorify. I actually won this in an Instagram competition, and inside here is double labeled water. I'm gonna have to cut the seal open, but my address is there, so I'm gonna keep that hidden. So I'll cut that open and we'll restart. Okay, what's in the box? What's in the box? So, make sure we can get some light on here. So, questions, email support, some stickers. Stickers are always nice. How to do the test. Day 1, 7 day. I will read this in a little moment. And here is my £1,000 bottle of water. And that's actually glass. I thought that would be plastic for some reason. Fits snugly in here. A couple of plastic cups. Probably the something to get this shipped back to the company. Let me see. So, it says customs on there. It's got the address. So, probably putting samples there. Pop that in the post, get that back. So, that is the kit. Cool. Really happy with this. Really excited to get this done and experiment with this. I'll keep you guys posted.